What's up, devs? Probably all of you already know about OpenClaw or Clawdbot or moltbot, but some of you struggling with the installation and setup. Let me take you through step by step, and at the end, you will have clone install on your local machine that you can use with your Telegram. If you're ready, then let's get started. Okay, so first of all, open Claw AI website and then copy this command. We will need to use the terminal window. It's available for Mac, Linux, or Windows. Simply open the terminal, then paste this command, then follow the instructions on the screen. It's pretty simple and straightforward, hard to make mistake. Time to time depend on the operation system. You could face some issues, but let's solve them step by step. On my setup, I might face some issue because my Linux environment is quite strict sometimes. So let's see. The first step takes about 2 till 5 minutes. So be patient. Okay. So seems OpenClaw installed successfully. And now the time to configure it. On the screen inside the terminal, follow the instruction. Keep in mind, this is local setup just for experiments. Let's answer in one simple question for update gateway. So this is our gateway target. So we can restart gateway service now. Okay. So now we'll updating something. Okay, gateway restarted, and we have some dashboard available under this URL. However, some of you might can access the dashboard, so you will need to do onboarding first. Use this command, OpenClaw onboard. Then all you need to do, of course, read security warning carefully because clone will be working on your local machine. It means it will have access to everything. Click you understand the risk, then you select quick start. If you start from scratch, you just select the first one. The next one, we are going to select the model. Basically, the model is the AI tool that will be working on your computer. There is different available. I'm going to use Codex from OpenAI because I have ChatGPT subscription. Then do authentication. Basically, it will redirect you to the Codex website. All we need, login to ChatGPT account, press continue, and that's all. So then we need to select the model. I'm going to select OpenAI Codex GPT 5.2 model because it's one of the best from Codex. Then we need to select the channel of communication. So basically, you can use Telegram, WhatsApp, Discord, Microsoft Team, and many other channels. Uh, you don't have to select it, but it's quite useful if you want something happened on your local machine and you want to control it via your messenger, for example, Telegram, it's possible. So I'm going to use Telegram and then I click modify the settings because I already had some settings configured before. I'm going to change it slightly. So then if you're using Telegram, you need to open Telegram, then find BotFather, create new bot. Then you need to give the name for your bot. For example, Claw Profit to bot. Make sure there is a underscore bot at the end. And then you will get this credential. Make sure to keep it secretly. Copy your token from Telegram, go back to the terminal and insert the token. Then you need to get the user ID. Basically, it's your user ID. So now we need to configure the user that we allow to use this bot. Again, go back to the Telegram, then search Then do the search, user info, and then here you just click start, and you will see your ID. So basically this ID you need to copy. So now we paste this ID inside the terminal. So then we can configure the skills are set on for instruction that allows model works better. You can configure them now or later. So let's configure them later. And then we can enable hooks. I would not enable them for now. And now we need to restart our gateway in order to make sure Telegram starts working. Okay, so now we need to go back to our bot. Then use the start. And if you see that nothing happened, it means something doesn't work properly, probably your gateway. So let's try to fix it. Go back to the terminal, cancel this session, and let's launch clone with this command. So IPv4 first. Okay, then you have to copy this command with the code that it's provided for us inside the Telegram. Just copy this code and paste it here. And if everything is okay, our Telegram and clone bot will be paired. So let's go back to our Telegram bot and let's try to ask something. For example, status. And as you can see, our bot start responding. Keep in mind, if you do the Telegram setup first, probably you will see all of this question as in this example. It's kind of onboarding questions, but once you set up Telegram bot multiple times, you won't see this again. Okay, let's go back to my new bot and I will try to ask it some question. What is the latest AI news? And let's see if it can answer on this question. As you could see, there's something happening at the background. And I can show you one thing. Now, Clawdbot start using the browser in order to access the information from the internet. For example, it start browse Combinator.com website for the latest AI news. That's why it's so important to make sure the security settings set up properly. Otherwise, you can end up with a situation that somebody control your computer and get access to your personal data. So let's give it a couple of minutes. Let's go back to the Telegram and see. So it's still okay. And here we go. As you can see, there's some answer on my question. And seems everything is working fine. And that's probably it. If you want to see more tutorials about Clawdbot, please let me know in the comments below. Please don't forget to click like, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Thank you. Bye.